Foods in Rockford Public Schools recently hosted an exciting chicken sandwich drawing contest, giving students the chance to design their ultimate sandwich creation.
How about that? The contest was a huge hit, sparking creativity and enthusiasm among students who loved the chance to show off their ideas. The winning design will be featured on the school lunch menu next spring. The lucky winners, including Gregory Elementary School fifth grader Andrew Farrenwald, will each receive an iPad. RPS 205 Nutrition Services Manager Kayla Lundy says she was amazed to see all the students' excitement as they created their sandwiches.
Creativity is just such a really great outlet for kids, regardless of what they're doing right now or what they're interested in.
They gave me confidence in this sandwich, so they gave me confidence into doing this. My teacher definitely, she was all crazy about it because she knew I was a really good artist.